have this. I'm looking at it. It's about 3 tablespoons of oil. We didn't measure, but we're just estimating. There we go. It actually looks less than 3, but I'll leave that there for a second. And obviously the temperature is above 70 degrees, above 75. We have shiitake mushroom. These were like, they were trying to give them away at ShopRite. They're dried out. I cut them into slivers. We want to flavor the oil. After we flavor the oil, we're going to cook these up for a minute and let the shiitake mushroom flavor infuse into that coconut oil. So we'll be right back. Alright, I toasted my shiitake mushroom. These are dried out. So old leftover sun-dried tomato. Alright, we're going to let all that juice drip out. Leave it like that. We need a little bit more coconut oil now. We had enough to toast it, but now we have to wok it up. So we need a little bit more coconut oil. We have some canola with sun-dried tomatoes. That looks good. Let's wait a minute. We'll pause. Alright, I have some drained and dried out garlic. That's enough. So what are we going to hit it up with? What? Stop. What? One's missing. We have 1, 2. Oh, one's stuck. It's really stuck. 3, 4, 5, 6 of snow peas. Alright, things are going on in the background. We have to add some moisture. So what are we going to do? We got little amino acids, tablespoon. We have some hot sauce. We thought we ran out. We had a little left over somewhere. We need moisture. We're going for, all right, that looks about 2 tablespoons. And we're going to do a little bit of, actually, you know something? Let's do a little bit of lime juice. Half a tablespoon. There's some moisture left in this mustard. Use that. Tablespoon of mustard. And for some reason, me and hoisin and mustard work very well together. Looks like a tablespoon. Alright, it's time to wok it up and finish it off. The moisture that I just added will help to cook this, so we'll be back. Alright. I got haters out there. Hey, I really don't care. My snow peas are almost done. Actually, you want to know something? They are done. See all that juice at the bottom? We're going to extract that. And this is going to go into a container. See how some of them are puffy. Look at that. They blew up. Look, here's another one. Blew up. That one will blow up and then contract. That's what this is, like popcorn, green popcorn. This is why I love these. Be honest with you. This is amazing. Nothing adheres to it. This is like catfish or an oily fish. Let's get a well done one. Ow. It's hot. Blow on it. We're going to take all that juice and use that for something else. This is going into another dish tomorrow night. This is a vegetarian dish, so I have way too many haters. People are telling me to do all kinds of bad things to myself. Vici, we love you. I would never tell you to kill yourself. But this is amazing. Suicide's a sin. God gave you life, and what? You took it away? God gave you his greatest gift, and he took it away. That'll come to room temperature. I'll throw it in a container. And all that juice that's in the bottom, we're going to use that for something else. That's hoisin, hot sauce, mustard, oils, juices from green goodness, green from God. Look at that. Tomorrow night, we're going to make something amazing with this. This was tonight's destiny. When I walked in, we weren't going to do this, but end of the night, this is what we got. Hot. So crunchy. Green is good. Green is God. I'd cover it, but that's al dente. I want to taste the tomato. Oh man, it's way too hot. All right, do a tomato, that. That's a spicy meatball. The hot sauce I added definitely kicked it up to the next level. That's yummy. I have to cool that down and break out one of my other tools. Where is it? Bam! We need the extractor. We're going to take that and put it into... Oh man, that is spicy. That's an after effect. That juice, we're going to put it into a container, but all that, then a bag of chips. Oh wait, we don't have a bag of chips. So that goes into there, and another video follows. Yummy. Love you.